Hi everybody, today I have a free design for you which is related to elections in United States. So you can see I made this design and it is available for free in my Creative Fabrica shop, and an SVG design which is also free. So this says vote your voice. So this is inspired from United States elections, and I used this Creative Fabrica's free Graffiti font mega bundle to make this design. So you can get this bundle as well, and you can see these are many Graffiti fonts available with this bundle. And I used one of the designs. I used this Haven and this cute little uh, font to make my design. So if you want, I just wanted to show you the design that I thought, what should I make for elections? So this is what I came up with. So if you want to know how I make these watercolor splashes in two colors, which are colors of American flag, then leave the comment and I will let you know. I have created these as watercolor splashes in AI art generator, and if you want, I will make a video about it. But for now, just wanted to share that this bundle is also free, and you can use these fonts to make your design. And I made this design which is available for free in my shop. If you want to make a design, for example, sublimate a t-shirt or make a poster, it will be useful for you. So I just wanted to share this today. Thank you.